Hello, I'm Ariana with Current Energy. Current Energy specializes in building solar energy systems exclusively for commercial property owners like you. I'm here in Ontario, California at one of our projects that was finished in 2021. This 123,000 square foot building is owned and operated by Vitco Foods. Vitco Foods is a perishable grocery distributor serving restaurants and hospitals throughout California. This solar energy project consists of 2,520 self-cleaning solar panels installed on the building's rooftop, 5 carports totaling 12,000 square feet, supporting another 1,500 panels. The whole system produces just over 2 million kilowatt hours of power per year. Because Vitco Foods warehouses large quantities of frozen and perishable foods such as meat and seafood, they have historically had very high energy costs, with a probability that these costs will dramatically rise in the near future. In order to control their rising energy costs, Vitco Foods began searching for solar energy solutions that could cut their costs immediately and, at the same time, fit within their budget. After meeting with numerous solar energy vendors in Southern California, Vitco awarded the solar energy contract to Current Energy in 2021. After doing an in-depth analysis of Vitco's energy needs and financial goals, Current Energy recommended that they use the net metering solar program. What is net metering? I'm glad you asked. Net metering allows the building owner to use the power generated from the solar panels to power the building, and any excess solar energy not used by the building is metered and sent back to the grid, and the utility company gives the building owner credits toward their electric bill. When the solar panels are not producing energy at night, the building will receive metered power from the utility in the normal way. The building owner can use their energy credits to pay for the power that they consume when the panels are not producing. Another key recommendation Current Energy gave to Vitco was to purchase the system outright in order to take advantage of the significant tax incentives. Both the federal and state solar tax incentives reduced the total cost of their system by 71%, saving them millions of dollars. And there's more to this story. The total energy cost savings in just the first 3 years was just over $830,000. The tax incentives combined with the energy savings allowed them to pay off their new system in under 3 years.
I'm Dean Vitakis. I'm the CFO of Vitco Foods. We are a food distributor for restaurants, basically one-stop shop for restaurants, especially burger restaurants. We have very high energy uses here at the warehouse. Not only are we operating about 60,000 square feet of freezer and cooler space, but we also have dozens of equipment that we need to charge, maybe sometimes twice a day. So our energy uses were pretty high, ranging from around 20 to 25,000 on a monthly basis during the winter months, and going all the way to over 60,000 in the summer months. So the biggest benefit of installing a solar system is obviously the savings in your electricity consumption. The bigger the system, the higher the savings after a few years. Also, the tax incentives and the advanced depreciation and all cut the payback time into, for us it was a little over 3 years, and that's with prices of about 2 years ago. I'm sure if I ran the numbers again, the payback will be less than 3 years. So it really makes sense financially to do it, especially in a state where we have probably the biggest sunshine, or the second biggest after Florida in the US. And we have a lot of heat as well. So the consumption of energy is very high in the summer months. So I would definitely recommend anybody that has the space on the roof or even on top of the parking lots to certainly consider the investment and do it as soon as possible, because before they lower the available credits and incentives.
Give Current Energy a call today, and we will help you take advantage of tax incentives that can generate huge discounts on solar systems, reduce your reliance on the grid, protecting you from rising energy costs, increase your property's value by making it more attractive to potential buyers or tenants, and finally, leverage solar energy to promote your commitment to the environment, which can also improve your brand. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and thank you for watching this video.